How to use WAS, did, and HAD in daily life. Have you ever said, I am confused about WAS, did, and HAD? Don't worry. Today, I'll make these 3 words super easy. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use them naturally in everyday English. Let's begin. Was. Was is mainly used with I, he, she, and it for the past. Think about something that was true or happening before. Say these naturally. I was busy. I was tired. I was at home. She was happy. He was late. It was difficult. Now listen to this daily conversation. A, where were you yesterday? B, I was at home. A, why were you at home? B, I was feeling tired. C, was is talking about a past state, condition, place, or situation. Did. Now let's talk about did. Did is used to talk about past actions, especially in questions and negative sentences. For example, did you call me? Did you eat breakfast? Did you watch the movie? Did she come yesterday? And for negative sentences, I didn't call him. I didn't watch TV. She didn't come. He didn't understand. Here's a powerful rule. After did, use the base form of the verb. Say, did you go? Not, did you went? Did you eat? Not, did you ate? Did you see him? Not, did you saw him? Remember, did plus V1. That one rule can make your English much more accurate. Had. Now, let's understand HAD. Had is the past form of have. We use it when talking about something someone possessed, experienced, or had in the past. For example, I had a car. She had a headache. We had a great time. He had breakfast at 8. I had a problem yesterday. In everyday conversation, you'll hear had everywhere. For example, A, did you have breakfast? B, yes, I had breakfast at 8. A, did you have a good time? B, yes, I had a great time. Simple. Now let's compare them. Was right arrow past state or situation? I was tired. Did right arrow past action or question? Did you call me? Had right arrow possession, experience, or something received consumed in the past? I had a good day. Let's practice. I was busy. Did you call me? I had lunch. She was happy. Did he come? He had a problem. We were late. Did they arrive? We had a great time. Real life mini conversation. Listen carefully. A, where were you yesterday? B, I was at work. A, did you finish your work? B, yes, I did. A, did you have lunch? B, yes, I had lunch with my friend. A, did you have a good day? B, yes, I had a really good day. This is how WAS, did, and had appear naturally in real English. Flexed biceps final challenge. Now it's your turn. Complete these sentences. I tired yesterday. You call your friend. I a great time. She at home. He finished the work. He a headache. Pause and answer. The answers are was, did, had, was, did, had. Excellent. Remember these 3 simple ideas. Was right arrow past state? Did right arrow past action question? Had right arrow past possession or experience? Don't just memorize grammar. Listen, repeat, speak. The more you use these words in real conversations, the more naturally they'll come to you. If this lesson helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more powerful daily English speaking practice. And remember, don't be afraid of English. Use it every day. Speak it every day. And become confident, one sentence at a time.